Welcome to day 23 of Pydle. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle looks like headphones, so have a go, see if you can solve that by just using Pydle function, loops, and if statements. Okay, yesterday's Pydle was a speaker, and it had some music notes there. So let's try and solve that. So let's just first do the white background. So we've got 25 cells to fill, so let's do for I in range 25. We've done this a number of times. So for the y coordinate, we need integer division, 5. And then for the x, we need modulus. Okay, so there's one cell we need to basically output the music notes. So what we're going to do for the character, we're going to say, okay, music note is an emoji. If I equals to 14. So if you go left to right, you will get to cell 14. And we need an else there, and the color is white. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so we've got our music note in the right place. Okay, so for this speaker, but we can see there's a triangle, so it's our classic staircase pattern. So x starts from 0, and then y, basically the number of cells we need to draw is the ratio of 2 times I and then plus 1. So when I is 0, x is 0, we need to do 1 cell, and then 3, and then 5. Okay, so let's do the for I in range 3 first. Okay, and then we can do for the vertical, we can do for j in range, and that needs to be 2 times I plus 1. And then we can do our Pydle. So the y is actually increasing as well. The y is decreasing. It starts from 2, 1, 0. So we need to do 2 minus I, then plus j. The x is just I, no character, and then black. Okay, let's see what that produces. Okay, so that is the speaker bit. Now we can just do the white cell at the end, so kind of overwriting the black cell again with the white cell. But it would actually be nicer if we could have actually not draw that, just have a single line for that, and we can do that with an if statement. So if, and we're going to do the inverse of that, so do a not. Okay, so what would be the value of I? Not I equals to 1, and j equals. Okay, and what is J? So J would be also equal to 1. Let's just see if that worked. Okay, so that misses out that cell in the center, and all that remains is for us to draw the blue vertical, and we can just do it in that loop because we're already looping from 0 to 2. So we can do Pydle. It's going to be I plus 1, and the x for that is 3. So it is a constant 3, so 0, 1, 2, 3. And you can see it's missing out the first cell, so it's starting from 1, 2, 3. So that's why we do I plus 1. And we don't need a character. And the color is blue. Okay, so that's 6 lines, and that solves the puzzle. Okay. Hope you have a go yourself at solving Pydle 23, and I will see you tomorrow when I will show you the solution.